Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching TNB Academy. Let's start with today's session. BIS certification is the gateway for companies to ensure their products meet the quality, safety and reliability standards required in the Indian market. Yet, despite its importance, many businesses face long delays or even outright rejection because of avoidable mistakes. Almost 40% of applicants struggle during the process due to errors in documentation, testing, or communication. In this guide, we will explore the most common mistakes companies make during BIS certification and provide clear ways to avoid them. And the first mistake is incomplete or incorrect documentation. One of the biggest challenges companies face is incomplete or incorrect paperwork. Missing documents, outdated information, or files submitted in the wrong format can quickly lead to rejection. For example, some businesses forget to attach a factory license copy, which can delay approval for weeks. The solution is simple. Always use a BIS documentation checklist and cross-verify every page before submission. Now, ignoring product standards and updates. BIS regularly updates its Indian standards, that is IS, but many companies continue filing under outdated norms. This creates misalignment between product specifications and current BIS requirements. Submitting an application under the wrong category is another common error. To avoid this, always check the latest IS codes on the official BIS portal before applying. Now, the third mistake is poor product testing practices. Another frequent mistake is related to product testing. Companies often send untested samples, use labs that are not BIS recognized, or end up with inconsistent test reports. For example, a toy manufacturer once submitted test results from an overseas lab only to face rejection because BIS only accepts report from accredited Indian labs. Businesses must assure their products are tested in BIS recognized laboratories and that reports match the actual products being marketed. Now, the wrong BIS scheme selection. BIS certification offers different schemes such as ISI certification, compulsory registration scheme, or Eco-Mark. Many companies file under the wrong scheme, causing unnecessary delays. For instance, an electronics startup mistakenly applied under ISI instead of CRS, delaying their product launch by months. Companies should carefully understand the correct scheme for their products before beginning the process. Now, overlooking factory inspection readiness. BIS officials may inspect manufacturing facilities as part of the certification process. Companies often fail because they are not prepared for this step. Common issues include missing standard operating procedures, unsafe environments, or poor labeling practices. A well-known brand failed inspection when its packaging did not comply with BIS guidelines. To succeed, businesses must treat factory inspections like audits, ensuring documentation, labeling, and safety compliance are in place. Now, miscommunication with BIS authorities. Delays often happen because companies fail to respond to BIS queries on time or submit unclear information. Having multiple people handle communication can worsen the situation. The solution is to appoint a single compliance point of contact who will handle all communication with BIS promptly and clearly. Seventh mistake, underestimating timelines. Many businesses assume BIS certification is a quick process, expecting approval within 2 to 3 weeks. In reality, delays due to testing, queries, or document corrections can extend the timeline. Companies must plan realistically, allowing for a buffer of 6 to 8 weeks to ensure smooth certification without disrupting product launches. Now, non-compliance in labeling and marking. A common but critical mistake is related to product labeling. Companies either misuse the BIS logo, place it incorrectly, or publish it before final approval. Others forget to add the registration number or mispresent product details. These errors can result in penalties or outright rejection. Businesses must remember that the BIS mark can only be used after official approval and must follow guidelines strictly. To summarize this, we can say that companies often make mistakes during BIS certification. incomplete documentation, ignoring standards, unprepared factory inspections, and so on. Each of these mistakes is preventable with proper planning, awareness, and professional support. BIS certification is not just a regulatory requirement. It is a mark of trust and credibility in the Indian market. While the process may seem complicated, avoiding these common mistakes can save both time and money while ensuring compliance. By being proactive, maintaining clear documentation, preparing factories, and staying updated with the standards, companies can smoothly achieve BIS certification and gain a competitive edge in their industry. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TLV Academy.